What is the problem all about is, thank you so much for telling me. The problem is that if I'm having any binary tree, so I'm just picking a binary tree, all it can be arranged in some manner. I'm just picking up a binary tree. This is one binary. Okay. This is a binary search. अभी मैं सिर्फ binary tree लिखती हूँ. Then I am having another tree. I am having say another tree. I'm just taking some examples over here. So what we are having over here is all whatever I'm drawing, all of them are binary trees also, and they are binary search trees also if you'll just look at them. There are many more possible options and so on. So what is the property of a binary search tree? The basic property of a binary search tree is that root is greater than the left child and right child is greater than the root. A simple property that whatever will be left child is greater than, sorry, left child is less than the root is less than the right child of the parent. This simple property that my binary search tree is holding. So if I'm taking ABCD in the order of the ABCD as it is, so all of the trees which I'm representing for the four keys available A, B, C, and D, if I have to arrange them in a binary search tree, there are more possibilities of arranging them. They can be arranged like this. They could have been arranged like this also, and more possibilities still exist. All of them are following the property of a binary search tree. Now, what do I mean by an optimal binary search tree? From the past experiences, we try to find out whenever I'm searching in a tree. Why do we use binary search trees? Because they help in searching. The searching becomes of the order log n instead of the order n for any n-sized data. So to improve the cost of searching, we used optimal binary search tree. No, binary search trees. Now, when a binary search tree is having such a structure or such a so for same keys. Now, supposedly, A is a key. Again, not visible. Now, A is a key which is searched most out of the four keys. Now, this is this is by some experience we have the knowledge that we have A, which is the maximum searched key. In this case, if A is a maximum searched key, in that case, if I am following this DCBA, then I will be finding A at level 4 and I will be finding A at level N. In that case, search will be taking worst possible time and there is no point of using a binary search tree. In case I'm using this tree, A is found at root node only, so it is better. जैसे ही हम आएंगे हमें A मिल जाएगा. So this is more optimal as compared to this the other tree if A is having maximum search probability. Similarly, if some other element is having some search probability, according to that, the tree have to be optimized. Now, according to the probability of all the elements, we try to optimize trees. Now, even after this is not the only possibility with A as root. A is root. It is still possible that C is the next child here and then we have B and D. There are still more possible options. So depending on the probability of all the keys, we try to arrange the keys in the binary search tree such that the total cost of searching is minimized. I'll take another example. If this is clear to all, I'm again saying all of them represent binary search trees. Binary search tree is something in which your root is less than the right child and it is greater than the left child, and this property hold for all subtrees of the given tree. The same elements can be represented using many binary search trees. Now, when I'm having, since it's a search process, then I'm having one key is searched more than the other key. In that case, these all trees cannot be chosen कि हम randomly इनमें से कोई भी ले ले. We try to pick up the tree in which cost of searching is minimum. So we try to build an optimal binary search tree in which the cost will be minimum. Let me take a very small example and let me show how are we calculating the costs over here. Let's take a practical example from knowledge. Supposedly there are some English language words that somebody wants to search for. So I'm having some words. I'm just creating a tree just like that, just random example I'm taking over here. Supposedly some data on geography or space is there and we're trying to search through a few things. So there are some uh, there are a few things that are going on over here. We're just trying. So and what else could be there? And so on. So I'm just taking this is some binary search tree if you can see. Now here I am saying this is a binary search tree with given some. Now I'm having the keys. Keys are the name of the whatever I'm searching for. These are all the keys. So I'm having the keys as sun, moon, or supposedly let me go in order traversal, left, root, right. If I'm traversing in that order, then I will be getting alphabetical order. So let me take that only. So I'm having Earth, Moon, Neptune, Sun, Uranus, and then Venus. And now these all have some probabilities of being searched. Now the sum total of all the probabilities will come out to be 1 in case I'm having fractional probabilities, or it might come to 100 or so on. Supposedly 100 searches were done. Out of 100 searches, how many searches were done for which that has been calculated. So from previous records, so from some search data, we try to find out the probability. Supposedly Earth was searched 60 times, Moon was searched for say very high again 20 times. Neptune was searched only for 2 times. Sun was searched for 10 times. Uranus was searched again only for 2 times. And supposedly the Venus was searched for 6 times. So the total here will come out to be 100. The total will come out to be 100. So what is happening here? When I'm having these probabilities, then if I try to find the cost of searching, what is the cost of searching Earth? How am I going to calculate the cost of searching over here? Now I have to, out of all of them, go ahead. Somebody is suggesting something. Go ahead, I'm still waiting. I will again say, when I'm calculating cost of searching something, I will come at first अर्थ तक पहुंचना है मुझे तो पहले सन तक पहुंचना पड़ेगा फिर मून तक फिर अर्थ तक ऐसे ही होगा ना yes or no are you all understanding what I'm trying to say so when I'm going to search for any tree if I'm having root and I'm having the left and the right of the tree so what happens over here is the probability of searching the root plus the probability of searching the left child till you are again same cheese will repeat till we are reaching whatever we are searching for. Are you all understanding this? So out of 60
Yes,
times
ma'am.
whenever I am searching as a clearly whenever earth is being searched it will take 3 times to search here और 3 comparisons चाहिए तक पहुंचने के लिए yes or no today's class can be extended if you have no extra class because this is a very large topic or if you don't want I can continue in the next class It is a very huge.
Ma'am, we can please continue in the next class if the syllabus is not lagging behind a lot. Because ma'am, this week we continuously had all the days we had classes from 9 to 5.
So what is happening here is, if I am searching for Earth, I have to search 1, 2, and in the third search, I will be able to find the search. So the total number of time taken will be 3 into 60 for 100. If I am performing 100 searches, how much time will be taken? 3 times for reaching the Earth, and 60 times Earth will be searched. Every time the search will begin from the root only. So we will be taking 3 into 60 comparisons. For searching Moon, we will be requiring 2 comparisons. So here it is 2 into 20. For searching Neptune, it is 2 into, I hope you all are understanding what I am doing. I am multiplying the level by the probability of the search. जितनी time हमने 100 में से उसे search करा है. For searching Sun, it is 1 into 10. And for searching Uranus, it is 2 into 2. Searching Venus, it is 3 into 6. So if you do a grand total of all these, it is coming out to be 180. 40, this is 6, 10, 4, 18. So the grand total comes out to be, just do a total. I've taken random numbers.
258.
The 258, that's correct. So 258 searches are required. 258 searches are required. Now, if I'm just erasing this tree, for this tree I'm having 258 searches with the given probabilities. Okay, so you recall is tree ke liye we have 258 number of searches. Now if I'm building another tree, I'm trying to optimize this. Let's see what happens in that case. When I'm trying to optimize the tree, and I'm just building a tree. So what happens, I'm taking Earth as the root right now, and if Earth is the root, then I have to take the next child at the right hand side only, because it is the lowest. Binary search tree की property तो hold होनी ही चाहिए. I'm taking Moon at the next level, and I'm taking Sun at this level. Now since Moon is at the next level, Sun is at the next, Sun is coming here, so again Moon cannot have a left child. Sun will be having Neptune as the left child, and then I'm left with Uranus and Venus. Supposedly I'm taking Venus over here, so Uranus is left at the last level. So now the number of levels has increased from 1 to 3 to 5. The number of levels has certainly increased, but let us recalculate the probability now. The cost of searching. Earlier the cost of searching was 258. Now let us recalculate the cost of searching. This is 1 into 60. The level of Earth is now 1. Then Moon के लिए 2 searches are required. It is 2 into 20. The next Neptune के लिए 1, 2, 3, 4 are required. 4 into 2. Sun के लिए 3 are required. 3 into 10. For Uranus, you will be requiring 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So 5 into 2. And for Venus, you are requiring 4. So it is 4 into 6. So the total number of searches here, it is 60, 48, 30, 10, and 24. The total comes out to be
172.
172.
172.
So here from this tree, I am getting 172 comparisons. So for such a small example also, 258 say the number of comparisons has been reduced to 172. This is a very considerable reduction. That is why optimizing a binary search tree comes into the picture. So I hope now the it is 172 and not 152. So now all of you understand what the problem is.
Yes, ma'am.
This is the optimal binary search tree problem. Here we are trying to build for a given set of keys with some given set of probabilities. I have a given set of keys. I have an array K which is having keys K1 से लेके n तक. I have a given set of probabilities P1 से लेके Pn तक for n number of keys. Now I have to arrange them in the order of a binary search tree for which the cost of searching in the tree would be minimum. This is my problem. So I want to solve this problem using dynamic program. If I am not solving using by dynamic programming, how much time will be taken? You will put every key as the root and then try for the combination of all other keys in the subtrees. Are you understanding? हर एक की को रूट लेके फिर उसकी कॉस्ट कैलकुलेट करनी पड़ेगी हर डिफरेंट सब ट्रीज के लिए. So how many possibilities will be there? Exponential. If I am taking brute force, then for n keys what is technically happening is for n keys n roots के लिए n minus 1 again सारे possible roots के लिए हमें जिस सारे combinations try करने हैं. It is not even n factorial. It is n raised to the power n possible trees existing. So that is very hugely exponential. So I do not want an exponential algorithm here. Brute force is not coming into the picture. I cannot check for all the possibilities. Then what should I do? I am going to use the dynamic programming now. What is the crux of dynamic programming? I want to build optimal substructures for my problem. So for dynamic programming, I am looking for some optimal substructures. What is an optimal substructure? I have to divide my problem into subproblems such that the subproblems will also have optimal solutions, using which I will be building the original solution. So if I want to find out some key with root, it is having some left, some right. Now this please ask again if there is some doubt.
Ma'am, I think I had some network issue. What does KR represent?
K is only a set of keys. R is representing the root. I am just taking an example. K is only the set of keys which I am having. R is representing a root. Now the problem is when I am dividing, every subtree here should also be optimal.
मैम P क्या था?
P is the set of probabilities. I will again say this is keys and this is probabilities. K is the set of keys, P is the set of probabilities. हर की probability है ना previous data से हमारे पास. So if there is some tree, supposedly यहाँ पे हम पहुंचे some key से, then we are reaching. So this subtree is also optimal. This subtree is also optimal, and so on. Only if all the subtrees are optimal, then only my entire tree, binary search tree, would be optimal. ये तो clear है ना सबको? So I am trying to build the subtrees which are optimal. I don't know whether you all are understanding or not. I am somehow unable to know.
Yes, ma'am, it's clear.
So we are trying to find out the cost of searching in a tree. How do I find out the cost of searching in a tree? My board is moving. Just a second. Sorry. So to find out the cost of searching within a tree, I take an array A in which I am just taking this with 3 parameters here. This is having a parameter low, high, and root. What am I having? I'm again speaking. If I am having some set of keys, this A is representing a tree which is having keys running from low to high. जैसे for
Ma'am.
हाँ बेटा.
Ma'am.
हाँ बच्चे, go ahead.
Ma'am, आपका bandwidth low है इसलिए पूरी screen. Ma'am, your bandwidth is low. This message is being shown and screen छोटी हो रही है बार-बार.
Screen छोटी हो रही है. Is it happening with everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, actually क्या हो रहा है? या तो वो छोटी हो रही है या तो.
So what we are saying is I'm having a tree in which there are keys from low to high and root is R. What I mean with this is that there's a tree, entire tree, I'm representing the cost of searching in the tree by A, in which I'm having key as root. There are many subtrees here. the leftmost element in the binary search tree is key low, and the rightmost element in this binary search tree is key high. So the key which are running in this tree is from low to high. Since it's a binary search tree, leftmost key is the minimum, rightmost key is the maximum. So low से high तक का tree है ये sub tree, in which R is the root. In case the tree is having only 3 elements, it will be very clear. In case the tree is having only 2 elements, it will be obvious. Later on, we keep on building the tree. So A is representing the minimum cost of searching in the tree with keys running from low to keys running from high and R as the root. Then this A will be optimal. So this A, we want to try to find out the cost of searching in a tree, and this is what we want to optimize. So let us try to find how can we calculate A. If I am going to calculate A, first of all, I need to add the probability of searching the root. Then I need to add the minimum of cost of searching in the left tree and the minimum cost of searching in the right tree. Yes or no? If I am trying to look at the cost, I hope I am audible and my connection is not breaking right now. This will be equal to probability of the root plus probability of running from low till root minus 1. I am breaking the tree into 2 halves now, and
Ma'am, you're
probability
not
of
audible.
root plus 1 से लेके high तक, the right left half of the tree, the right half of the tree.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
both
आपकी
lag
Your
हो
screen
रहा है.
voice
hold हो
is
गई है.
breaking.
Breaking.
Ma'am, I have sent a screenshot also on the group.